Where is ball? Where is the ball, Jasmine? And the duck? The airplane? The dinosaur. Dinosaur? Yeah, the snail. Snail. And the giraffe. The flower. Very good, Jasmine. On the other page. Where is the hippopotamus? Where is the tree? Where is the kangaroo? No, kangaroo. The kangaroo, Jasmine. Dragonfly. Okay. And the kangaroo? Where's the kangaroo? Where's the kangaroo? Okay. Where is the clouds? Clouds. Okay. Where is the house? House. The orange. Orange. The twins. Where is the twins? Where is the twins? The baby twins. Where is the baby twins? Okay, bravo, Jasmine. Where is the butterfly? Okay, the grapes. The bus. The tent. Where is the tent? Tent. Where is the tent? Where is the bike? Where's the bike? Bravo, Jasmine. Where is the sun? Where is number 4? No, number 4. The number 4, that's number 1. Where is the number 4? There, bravo, Jasmine. The other page. Where is the yogurt? Yogurt. The zebra. The xylophone. Xylophone. Okay. Where is the strawberry? Where is the bumblebee? Where is the bumblebee? Yeah, where is the moon? Where is the moon? Moon. Where is the boat? The boat. Where is the boat? The ladybug. Where is the ladybug? And the sun. Where is the sun? Where is the sun, Jasmine? Where is the sun? Bravo, Jasmine. Okay, the ABC. Do you know the ABC? Huh? Where is ABC? A, B, C, D. Ay, ABC. Hindi mo pa alam? Okay, next time na lang. Oh, count na lang. Count. 1. Then 3. Ay! Okay, enough. Pagod na si Jasmine.